BIA Week here on Island Life Live continues. Now, twice a year, the Building Industry Association Hawaii puts together these big events to help families build, remodel, and dream. And in the last 12 months, they have also put their attentions to something that has impacted families on Maui. Here to tell us more about it is President and CEO of BIA Hawaii, Roseanne Freitas.
Hello.
Hi, welcome back, sis. And every single day this week, you've always brought a friend. Today, we want to welcome to our hale Kamuela Potter, who is our Vice President of BIA Hawaii, as well as trustee of the Hawaiʻi Building Industry Foundation. Mahalo for joining us, Kamuela. Thank you so much. Now, I understand you wear two hats, but can we talk, sorry, about your foundation hat? Can you tell us a little bit about what the Hawaiʻi Building Industry Foundation is and its purpose?
So the foundation actually is the philanthropic arm of the Building Industry Association. And so the purpose is education. We have two, education, and immediately following the wildfires, we added the Maui Recovery and Rebuild.
Oh, that was
quickly.
You guys went right into quickly. It. I'm actually very happy to hear that because there has been a very strong kahea, a very strong call out for assistance in regards to the rebuilding of homes for Lahaina. Can you tell us a little bit more specifically about that Maui Recovery and Rebuild Fund?
So the actual fund will go towards construction programs, prioritizing housing, and of course infrastructure restoration, and then other programs just to bring back support to the community as we recover.
Oh, that's awesome. You know, and I realize that there's been some really good support, not just within Hawaii, but coming in from the continent, right?
I think it happened so quickly that we had building industry associations from across the country. There are several, many out of Washington State, Connecticut, Indiana, and also from the National Association of Home Builders out of Washington, D.C.
And they just felt like giving.
Yes, and we actually had some private donors from a national level that gave, and you can actually find these donors on our website.
I love that. You know, and a very big mahalo to these organizations across the continent. At the same time, on this 1 year mark, the need is still there. Yes. So how can our viewing ohana learn more about the foundation outside of the website? Are you folks going to be at the BIA Home Show?
We actually will be at the BIA actual location, the actual booth. We didn't have our own booth this year, but someone at the booth can actually provide information on HBIF.
That's perfect. Now I know you folks accept those big, you know, the building associations giving money, but will you folks accept from individuals as well?
We will.
Yeah.
And you can actually visit the website for information on making donations, and then we'll be talking it up this weekend.
We will, because we sold out at the show, so we really didn't have another space, so that we'll have all of their information at our booth, at the BIA booth, so people can come check with us, and if they want to donate, they can give it to us right then and there.
That's beautiful. So give us the scoops on this weekend's event and where that BIA booth is going to be.
Okay, so we're really excited. I was just over at the Blaisdell. Everything is coming together. So we start tomorrow. The doors open at 4 p.m. We go to 8 p.m. Saturday is 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. and then Sunday again back at 9 to 4. The BIA booth, we're in booth number 616. So you'll be able to find us, but there are so many amazing booths, and we're really looking forward to it.
I love it, and of course, a lot of focus on our keiki happening on Saturday. We're super excited, and you know, we are excited. Island Life Live is actually going to be on site live from the BIA coming up tomorrow, so that's going to be awesome. Kamuela, thank you so much for being with us, sis, and thank you for the great work that the foundation is doing.
Thank you so much.
And mahalo, Roseanne. We can't wait to see you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah. Now.